And this morning.
You're a machine. Yeah. You gotta concentrate, man. We got to focus now.
Focus. This is it for me. We're thinking all the way.
All the way. Up to you. Friday night, you know, we got.
That's right.
Problem?
No? Not a problem.
Hey, Ben invited me to go to Santa Barbara. I was wondering if I could take a sick day. I know. Last time, I swear.
March 3,
Thanks.
like a month swing.
Bad news, baby. I gotta go to sleep. Should be back by Monday. I'll call you later to say goodnight.
Oh, I have put 10,000 already. Come on, 2 more to open. 2 more to open, anak. I have put 10,000 already. Well, if I won, everybody happy. So, Joseph. To 10,000 and then $110.
Job today? Rest and day off.
Rest. Come on.
I got it! Were these?
So far.
Yeah, right.
So good.
13,000, right?
That's all you have to say?
What?
Alright, you know what?
Yeah!
Down, Mr. Excited.
Oh!
I want a $600,000.
Ano ba itong klase ito? Mas 3 eh, oh? Win that amount. I got it! When? No! Where did he send it? Read it. 10,000. I got it!
Where did you look at the back?
Look at the back. 10,000. Yeah!
Not tell you. Do not.
Ito yung 3 months like, right? Yeah. Sila ko. Ito ito. Let me see. Mas 3. Shit, anak. I got it! 10,000. Ba't tumatay? Bakit 3 months? 3 months, 3 like amounts. Win that amount. Oh! I got it! Ano ka ba, anak? I got that! Give me that, ano? Give me that. Official. Ay, hindi ko makita. Where did he send it? Anak kasi, oh. Match 3 like amounts. Win that amount. So, I get the 10,000. Read the back. Where did he send it? Oh, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. Ano ka ba? We got it. Wait, 3 months. Bakit mo tama? We got 10,000. Where did he send it? No, we have to send it. Where did he send it? Huh?
Read the back.
Nak. Oh. Match 3 like amounts, win that amount. So I got 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. I won! That's why we won! No, I'm not kidding. Okay, read it.
Let's read it.
Oh, 3 likes amount, 10,000. I got it.
This ticket for entertainment purposes only.
Talagang bata ka talaga. Sira ka, anak. Scratch of game. Game lang ba to? Ha? Ikaw naman, anak.
This is YouTube.
Para sira. Si anak.